Hey guys, Charity here with Acadiana Grows. I want to tell you all about these amazing spring onions that are growing right here in my yard. I don't initially mow my yard the first sight of spring because I want these beautiful flowers to bloom and to produce food for the pollinators when there's not much that's flowering from wintertime, and because of these delicious spring onions. These can actually be used anywhere. I would normally use green onions or scallions. So I could easily cut these up, put them fresh in salads and my pestos. I could put them in sandwiches. I can make some salsa with them. Anywhere I would use a green onion or a scallion, I can use these spring onions. I want to show you how they grow. So right here in this little patch of my yard, I've got these tall green spikes that are coming up, and I've got these spring onions right in the middle of it. Right here, I've actually got one that's about to flower and go to seed, and I'm gonna let it do so because I want that to put off more flowers and drop seeds so that I have more spring onions next year. So when I do start mowing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be mowing a perimeter right around this little patch, and I'm going to leave this for as long as these spring onions are producing. This is something that I really enjoy in springtime. I love using these. It's free growing in the garden. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe, join me for the 2023 growing season, and I hope you make it a great day.